Thank you. Good morning internet, it is 7:40 in the morning and welcome back to the channel. I am having a porridge with banana breakfast and a cup of tea. So a pretty good way to start the day, and today I am boarding back on the ship back to Denmark from Iceland here. Time is up, I have to leave in about 20 minutes and then it's about half an hour drive to the port where I have to do boarding. I have to be there 2 hours in advance, so I think I have to stand in line for about 2 hours again and then board the ship, and then we are back to mainland Europe. I hope that it's going to be smooth sailing this time. But let's see. I'll finish the breakfast and then quickly we go. Bye pod. All right, let's go. It's amazing how the light just comes through the clouds there. So beautiful. Arrived in town. Only now I realized how beautiful it is up here. Well, I thought it was beautiful when I came off the boat, but I could barely see anything because of all the clouds, and now I can see how beautiful the mountains are here. I just drove back where I came off the ship. Obviously that's not the same location, so I have to get on again. Cute blue church. Check-in motorcycle. Oh, that's me. Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Where are you going?
Sorry?
Are you going Denmark?
Yes.
Okay. Then you go on the front. When I already give you the ticket, just go on the front of that guy.
This is my cabin key.
Keep that on your bank. Just keep it here somewhere.
Okay.
Easy for you. And this is your cabin key.
Okay.
And I will do. What's your name?
Norali. Okay, thank you. I'll just go?
No.
No.
Just go in front of there. You see?
Yeah?
Right on the work here. Go there.
And wait. Okay. Hi.
Can you go behind the Sivan? Sheep, I'm sending motorcycle behind the Sivan. Is that okay?
Behind that red one or the white?
I don't think it's there. Okay, just behind the Sivan, the caravan, not the red.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
You? Hi.
Can you keep her?
Yes.
My colleague was scanning.
Sorry?
My colleague over there was.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay, tack.
Okay. No? Go. Come on! And there are all the motorcyclists.
Go in the back.
I go in the back? Welcome to my cabin, or well, my home for the next 2 days. Really nice again. I just strapped Ronin downstairs with 4 straps this time, so she should be all good. Let's hope that this ride will be a little bit more smooth than last time. But yeah, that's it. Ready for another 2 days back on the boat. And we are back in Denmark. Let's get off the boat. I'm happy to report that it was smooth sailing. I didn't get sick this time. And it just all went very well. Now let's get off here. Bye! And welcome back to Denmark. There is a temperature difference like you wouldn't believe. They predicted 29 degrees Celsius for today. And it is blue sky. Oh, what a delight. Hi.
That's all right.
Thank you. So it is now 1:30 and I'm going to ride about 175 kilometers for the rest of the afternoon because the weather is gorgeous. In a small little town and I'm gonna look for a supermarket to stock up on supplies. Well, a lot of Danish flags here everywhere. Alright, let's see if we can gather something to make a dinner from tonight. See. Oh, it's nice and quiet here. I'll just take a salad. It's actually a really good idea. Alright, that was it. Dinner and breakfast sorted. I'm only 6 kilometers away from where I am hoping to pitch the tent. Cute little town, this one. I can already see the sea. Wow, this is beautiful. Well, hello. I have a feeling I might not be the only one here. It is a weekend and of course amazing weather. Alright, well, this will be home for tonight. Well, this is absolute luxury. I am having a pasta salad and then I am warming up some soup. And then I have some bread with that soup. So later I'm going to have a small walk on the beach when it's a little bit more quiet. Now there's a lot of people everywhere. But I think later in the evening most people will go back home, I think. A few are camping here and there. And then I'm gonna have a nice walk on the beach. And yeah, just enjoy this evening. So really nice. Oh, what a day. Really enjoyed it. It's nice being back in Denmark. I really like Denmark. I don't really know why. It's just, I just like this country. People are really nice. And yeah, the roads are just really pretty. It's relaxing. I really like it. Oh, I didn't even tell the plan yet. I also didn't say where I am now. I don't want to get the map out. Sorry. But in the next video I will show you where I am now. But anyway, my plan was to go to Norway. And then as of today they started with a 10-day quarantine when you arrive in Norway. And yeah, I really don't want to cross the border into Norway and then sit 10 days in one place again. So I decided to go to Sweden. So the plan for tomorrow is to ride somewhere close to Copenhagen, and then after I'm going to cross the bridge and ride to Sweden. So that is the plan. So yeah, that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and then I'll see you in the next video.